Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I made money with HealthyNuLiving super fast. All right, so if you're not familiar with what HealthyNuLiving is, it is a new health and wellness network marketing / affiliate marketing opportunity. I joined this company almost 2 months ago, and I'm already making a monthly income from this company, and I'm super excited about that. All right, so how did I make money fast with HealthyNuLiving? All right, so once I joined, right, I got my affiliate link, and I'm super excited about this opportunity, right? So I made a few posts on my Facebook, and keep in mind, I'm not even like a big Facebook guy. Like I post on some groups, you know, from time to time. I need to step that up, but I'm not a big Facebook person. But I made a couple posts talking about this new opportunity, and a colleague of mine actually shared that post. And from that share, it got me my first sign up. The first person on my Matrix team, it got me my first commission, and damn, it felt good. I mean, had to be 3 to 4 days after I joined. I got my first instant commission and start generating a monthly income off of that. So right after that, about a week later, my sister, who was into the whole health and wellness thing, I was telling her, I'm like, yo, this company is dope. Like, it's super cool, it's new. And I was telling her about the products because we sell like supplements. We sell like popular supplements like apple cider vinegar gummies. We sell, you know, fat burners, gummy vitamins, regular vitamins, all kinds of stuff, right? And what really made me want to, you know, share is because these products are very, very affordable. And what I like about that is they're easy to promote because they're so affordable. A lot of times with network marketing companies, you know this, right? If you've done any research, like you get into the company, it's cool, you like the products, but then the products are like extremely expensive, which makes it hard to sell. It really do, right? So when I was telling my sister, I'm like, yo, you need to check this out. You know what I mean? Like, it's dope. I already made money with it. You gotta check it out for yourself. So she actually ordered a product, and then once she got the product, a few days later, she joined. Right? So now she's an affiliate of HealthyNuLiving, and she already got her commission. So she's super excited about it because she wasn't on no damn network marketing on no level. She wasn't trying to mess with it. She went into it. But once I kind of told her how it goes, and once she tried the products, and once she actually got that first commission, she's like in it, like all about it, right? Ready to rock and roll. So, I mean, to me, that's making money pretty fast with the network marketing opportunity. And this is why I talk about it so much, because the potential of this company is crazy, right? The fact that you can actually earn money just by promoting the products are actually good. The products are actually affordable, so it's easy to promote. And then when you take a look at the passive income and how building up a team actually will make you a lot of money, and with the match bonuses and all that good stuff, it's a really, really good opportunity that I'm excited about growing, right? And like I said, I've been in several network marketing companies before, and I made money, but not this quick, right? Like, never that quick. And I think what really helped me to make money so fast is the fact that I'm really into the company, right? And I think that's super important. So if you're interested in checking out HealthyNuLiving, checking out their products, checking out their business opportunity, all you need to do is click on the first link in the description of the video. You know the drill, all right? Once I see that you signed up absolutely free, I will reach out to you, and you can, you know, ask me any questions, and hopefully you will want to join the team. But I'm gonna keep it real, right? I want go-getters on the team. I want people that really want to start an online business, somebody who wants it, someone who believes in the company, someone who believes in the products, and someone who's ready to grind and build a real passive income that can be mind-blowing, right? Once you actually join the team, I'm gonna be super excited to help you get started. I'll reach out to you, help you get going any way I can, and help you be successful, because when you're successful, I'm successful, and the company is successful, right? So check it out for yourself, Healthy New Living, and I'll be doing constant updates and everything in the future. All right, so check it out right now, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.